Nicole, I really wanted to give you credit for the work that you did on today's presentation. Thank you so much for your ideas, your creativity, your dedication. We couldn't have done it without you. Nicole, I really wanted to give you credit for the work that you did on today's presentation. Thank you so much for your ideas, your creativity.
Good morning.
I think these numbers look great.
We are seeing an increase in employee engagement.
I'm really impressed with this platform. Good job.
Guess what, guys?